So how's your day going?
It's going great, you know?
Yeah,
Gotta build a PC later, you know? Got a lot of PCs to build. Wait, what are they doing over there?
Hey! Hey!
Hey, you wanna come inside?
You guys wanna come in?
It's raining. Come on, let's go. Welcome to PCBros / Toastybros HQ. It's beautiful, it's big, it's better than ever. And
there's a moth.
And there's a moth. So
there's a moth.
Oh my God, the moth did join us. That moth's gonna follow us on tour. But hi guys, Matt and Jack here from Toastybros. Did that backwards, normally he does it. But we're gonna go show you, well, Toastybros HQ. As we mentioned, it's a lot bigger, a lot of different stuff going on here. And yeah, we're gonna start off in this office area. But first, a word from today's sponsor, if there actually is one. I don't know if there is one, probably not.
Today's video is brought to you by Aukey and their KM-G17 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard comes packed full with Aukey blue switches, a super smooth RGB implementation with 19 lighting presets and side lighting, a built-in volume control knob, and even programmable shortcut keys that can be easily configured from Aukey's gaming software. If you want a no-compromise gaming keyboard that doesn't break the bank, then be sure to check the link in the description down below and pick up the Aukey KM-G17 today. Special thanks again to Aukey for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the video, shall we?
Did Voss?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Jackson. So this is the main office. This is the Toastybros headquarters, and it's big. We used to be in one room for filming, recording. That's the same thing. Filming, recording, building, editing. It was all in the same room and it was tiny. It was probably like a quarter the size of this. So yeah, this is pretty big, but let's tell them about the setups.
So right here, McAllister, the one behind the camera right now. This is his editing setup with his mismatched monitors, all that sort of fun stuff. His PC has a beautiful, I think 3800X with a 2080 Super, 32 gigs of RAM, awesome computer for video editing, and for those at home thinking they need like a 3090 or anything to video edit, he edits all these 4K videos on the one right now on this PC, no problems whatsoever. Yeah, pretty awesome setup. Right here is mine. It's beautiful, vertical monitor, standing desk. Here we go.
They're actually both on standing desks.
Oh yeah, they're both standing desks. Probably should just do McAllister's too. Here we go.
I hope McAllister's like just goes through the
McAllister's is weird. What profile? One is yours, okay. So there we go. Look at them, they're rising together. Flexi spot, there's a video on Toasty DIY. Subscribe to Toasty DIY if you want to see that. But yeah, standing desk, really awesome. Jackson, want to talk about your setup real quick?
So this setup is a nice corner setup. I always wanted one. Now that I'm like actually in it, I'm just like, yeah, this corner desk are okay. But got two 32-inch curved monitors, this really random Biotech 24-inch that's in vertical mode, you know, trying to copy Matt pretty much.
Typical.
But the case though, that's where the money comes in. That's the cool part. But I'm only rocking a 3600 and a 2070. And I think it might be 32 gigs of RAM now. A nice, you know, Team Group RGB SSD. But that's the Continuum from Computer Upgrade King. And we have Zach set up.
Yeah, so he has 3 monitors. His PC, I believe, has a 2060 with a, I think, 10400F?
Yeah.
I think that's what it is, 10400F. So Zach, our graphics guy, mainly does things like lower thirds. You can see a lower third right there. He makes meme stuff. He does a lot of fun things. There's a lower third example. There you go, that looks great.
Oh, yeah, that's what they look like.
So he makes lower thirds, he does thumbnails, does a lot of the graphics behind the scenes, and a lot of random things we make him do when he doesn't have work to do. So it's a fun time.
Now, one of the staple features of this office that Matt's going to demonstrate is we play a lot of basketball in here. You can see we have our, I guess this is the three-point line. We often sit in our chairs and play because it makes it more difficult and fun. Matt,
and then we play shoot until you leave.
A shooting shot, and I would make it go in.
Okay. But what if he never makes it? You're done, bro. You're cut off, bro. No more shooting.
Enough basketball. In here, we have our movie theater setup and also a peep into PCBros. We have this beautiful projector that, again, we made a full Toasted DIY video about this. There's a lot of stuff about this office on Toasted DIY, so check out that channel. But we have these bean bags for toddlers. Honestly, they're not very comfortable for adults to sit in.
They're pretty sick, though.
Yeah, they're cool. We got speaker setup and, again, projector. So we have movie nights here. We've had one movie night. We'll probably have some more here in the future. And yeah, it's a pretty cool little setup. And it's not too expensive. This projector is not that expensive off of Amazon. It does a pretty good job.
I bet you guys wish you had all these graphics cards and processors.
They're all full.
McAllister, get like a nice, every single one of these is full and we're not selling them. We're not going to use them
We're just going to stare at them and be like,
we're just going to hoard them for fun.
Funsies.
It's just the bathroom, yeah. As far as it's not that important, but yeah, bathroom. This is where the real business happens.
The real business.
Oh God, stop. No!
Oh, maybe McAllister will show the GoPro footage, maybe he won't. Well, what actually happened there, you'll never know. All right, so let's go in here. Here's the film room, which is, well, one of the best parts, you know? The place where we film all the Toastybros content. As you can see in here, it's like an L-shaped design. This actually used to be, before renovations, multiple offices, 3 offices that we had these walls knocked down. But yeah, right here, test bench. Beautiful test bench for testing all the computers with our Pixio monitor that we recently just added. Over here is another video set that we made for our like talking videos, which is where we basically sit there and blab about stuff going on in the PC hardware space. Jackson pretty much built this. Looks really clean, looks nice. Nice RGB strip in the back. Very simple. Yeah, always work in progress with these setups to add different things. You want to talk about all the beautiful stuff?
Yeah, we just sorted these shelves a little bit more, and you can see there's not much here. But this is like where pretty much all of our build staging happens. So we have builds that are getting ready to happen. You guys don't see this. This is unreleased at the time of this video.
You don't see that.
Unreleased.
Cut it.
Unreleased. No, I mean, actually, I think this will be.
This video will go live when that product's already out.
It'll be out. The NDA will be lifted, so you're good. But yeah, we have some HPs, a lot of pre-builds. We're doing a lot of pre-builds right now. Really less parts than we've ever had though, because we have a whole other business where we actually buy and sell computer stuff. And obviously parts are really hard to find right now. But this is where all of our like extra parts are at the moment. And we got a decent amount, it's not bad.
Not too shabby.
Definitely not something you're gonna find in your typical bedroom, you know?
Yeah, and then over here, which I'm gonna turn this label so no one sees exactly where we are located. I don't know where that is, it might be my home address.
That's probably your house.
It's probably my house. You don't even know where my house is. We have the film set, which you guys are probably used to if you watch our videos. We stand right here and we say, hey, what's up guys? Matt and Jack here
How's
from
it going,
Toastybros.
guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toastybros.
Oh, look at that, he's like right on the tripod, it's perfect. But yeah, this video set was a awesome creation. We had a design we were using for a long time in our older office, and then we got, well, this beautiful Toast logo. It's awesome.
Yes, that was made by a local sign company.
Louisville Sign Company. Yes, there you go. I think that's what they're called, Louisville Custom Signs.
Yeah.
Yes, Louisville Custom Signs. Really awesome RGB strip behind here, and these RGB floodlights to really add that RGB gamerness that we really desire in our setups. Yeah, love this video set, very happy with it, and we light it with these soft boxes that are up here, which if McAllister looks at it, it's probably gonna like blind
Yes.
it.
Yeah, these are actually LED panels above us, and then they have some diffusers over them, and obviously some cheap Amazon softboxes. And really the last thing over in this room is that bench station that I made like forever ago.
Same one from the old office.
I think that was actually on the main channel. Yeah, because that was a while back and we could just do whatever we wanted.
Yes.
But yeah, that's it's still nice having the pegboard and all of our tools over there. Whenever we want to build a PC, we just go over there, grab what we need, and come over here and build it.
Well, you know what? Let's just continue outward into this hallway,
After you, my lady.
Which we'll just
you can just go in the stream room.
Yeah, just go to the stream room. So sometimes we get lost around here. I've gotten a lot better.
We'll finish like the Toastybros portion of things, and then we can go to the next.
But yeah, this is what we call our stream room, which is, well, a place where we do live streams. Right here is what we call our Lego building and PC building set, but really all we do is build Legos. We sit here, build Legos on stream. We have this nice setup right here that we use for this stream and our marathon stream, which has a beautiful laptop and monitor that can just be rolled around, taken wherever you want, and plugged in to nearest outlet. So
these are really cool. They're good for conferences. You know, hospitals use similar systems, so I had the idea for that.
But yeah, so camera, beautiful. You can sit right here, do our sets, and then when we go over here, you see our typical live streaming couch set over on twitch.tv/Toastybros. We are partnered Twitch streamers. We have that same design from the old office. We can do our Newegg Now streams, upcoming Amazon streams on Amazon Live, a lot of different live stuff, and we needed a big space for that, and I think this is a good space. Yes. Well, what's this man doing? Is he jamming to the music or just tired of me talking?
We got the racing simulator.
Don't forget the racing simulator.
Which hasn't been used in like forever.
And in here is a closet of a bunch of extra stuff.
This is Zach's soon-to-be office.
Yeah, this is where Zach's gonna work.
If it keeps mouthing off, you know, we're gonna have to move him. The lighting in here is just so, like, look at who did that? Who did those lights?
Oh my god, we gotta turn up the lights.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. The lighting does not make sense. Those like bulbs right there. But yeah, we have our costumes for all the fun things
our
we do
cosplay.
Here. Our cosplay costumes, TikTok content.
Wait, hold up.
Oh wait, here we go. Bring them back.
Gotta get the.
Bring back the TikTok legend. He's back. But yeah, extra closet just for storage stuff. Christmas tree when the holiday season comes around.
Oh my god, yeah. I honestly do not like decorating. I'm not looking forward to having to get all that stuff out. I did make one of you put up I think I made Zach put up the Christmas tree last year. So now we have PC Bros, our actual location. Let's go inside.
All this connects. We'll show you later how that works. But you come in here, this is PC Bros, where you come in and buy computers from us. We have an arcade setup. We have all this different stuff. And we have a cool event where you can actually come by here and potentially win a PC.
So speaking of the arcade setup, July 24th, if you guys go onto Facebook, and you happen to be local to here, you don't want to live like 10 hours away, because this is a local only event, we will be giving away a PC and some other awesome peripherals, free food, free drink, and also just to hang out. You get to meet the Toasty Bros and the two guys back here.
Two goons. But there's all this stuff in here. We got stuff for sale. We got monitors and stuff from Monitor Roundups and Toastybros videos. We got keyboards. We got random computers. We have a lot of different stuff. This is a popular PC Bros PC, our 3200G PC. We have a beautiful relic, which I hope this video does well, guys. This is before it's gone live, so I don't know how well it's done. It has a different monitor on it, though. And this
the RGB strip is not working.
The RGB strip doesn't work. This is the cardboard setup. It's gonna sit here forever, yeah, it is what it is, and that's McAllister's great creation over there. But yeah, we're gonna leave that alone and not talk about that anymore. But yeah, showroom for PC Bros. You can come in and see this in person and come buy a computer from us if you're local to the Louisville, KY area.
You can buy some Booga gear.
Some Booga gear for all you Fortnite gamers out there.
Yeah, this part's really cool, and that's actually part of what the contest is going to be. It's a giveaway, as in you can get the stuff for free, but we're actually gonna have a little bit of a contest happening where you're gonna have to play Galaga, very simple game everyone knows, and also Asteroids. We'll take your final score, add them together, and then we'll have a first, second, third, maybe fourth, fifth. Who knows, maybe everyone will win something.
Everyone wins a prize. Okay, so let's go back into the depths of PC Bros. This is the manager's office slash like entryway
the dungeon dweller,
to the
pretty
dungeon.
much.
That's David, manager. Say hi. We're gonna be walking through into the warehouse, alerting all PC Bros employees we are coming in with a camera.
I see no one in here.
There's no one in here. I think they all left.
So we have toilets. We have toilets. Toilets. Show the toilet. All right. Yeah, we have some. We have two offices back there that right now are just storage, pretty much.
And here, packing. Let's go. This is the packing area for PC Bros, where we pack all the computers and ship them out. All the boxes, all the bubble wrap. You know, we're a real-time business here. Yeah, Jack still has a hose hooked up.
I got a hose hooked up for unknown purposes.
Unknown purposes, but yeah, this was the main reason we made this move. It's PC Bros, our PC selling business grew really quickly. We needed a warehouse to be able to bring stuff in and ship stuff out, and this warehouse worked perfectly because, well, it's a big warehouse, and it has office space attached for Toasty Bros, and we were able to get it renovated to make it look nice and modern, and really it was just a great combo. It was a perfect option.
It's definitely a lot of an upgrade. Like that old place, Toasty Bros probably could have lived out of that forever, really.
Yeah, I didn't need it, but it always helped.
But it had last been renovated in the 80s, so it was a little bit older. You know, we were always having to paint and do all kinds of other upgrades. So with this one, it's just modular. You know, everything's already done for us, so it's nice.
And our favorite case of PV Prodigy. There's a lot of PV Prodigies, so buy PCs from us, please.
Here's where we benchmark some of the PCs, like some different benchmark stations. Here's like a whole build wall and whatnot. We care about our employees, so we have AC unit connected to Wi-Fi too. It's fancy. We can go back here, you know, show them our. This is like where we do some of the custom mods that we do, which we really haven't done anything except for the cardboard setup yet. We haven't been here for very long, but I don't know if you guys saw, I did some improvements. Yeah, I added, that's from another DIY video. And then I added some pegboard there. So yeah, we're looking pretty good for the custom builds and mods now.
You want to explain the table?
No.
Don't talk about that.
If you look, I mean, you got two different heights, so I made it the same height. I still need to get our guy to eventually fix that, but for now it works.
All right, then in here we have basically like our RMA room slash stuff we're selling online, you know.
And nothing ever breaks, so look, we got nothing.
Nothing breaks, nothing breaks at all. PC Bros is only the top of quality. Yeah, it makes no sense, but we're just going on with that
Top of quality.
Top of quality, but and then another like troubleshooting bench right here where we can, well, put computers on, test them with a power supply, that sort of deal. I know we forgot one very important thing.
The mezzanine.
The mezzanine.
The mezzanine.
I don't expect you all to climb up here. Zach maybe with his GoPro can climb up here. McAllister, you just sit right there. Oh, whoa, buddy. All right, so we're up here on the mezzanine, which eventually there will be a desk up here. I don't care what anyone says, there's gonna be a desk up here.
We can't stop.
And we're just gonna sit up here, look over. Zach, you got a good view of what we're looking at down here and seeing McAllister. Hi, how's it going? Just a cool random thing that's here. I don't really know what we're gonna use it for, but it's something we play around with a lot, and yeah, it's cool.
I think we've talked about eventually maybe finishing some more of the top area, because I mean, you know, this is about 7,000 square feet, and we could potentially have another couple thousand square feet of usable, you know, space.
For stuff.
for stuff.
That's it. All right, let's go back down and then
where we,
wrap up with our
where
kitchen.
we keep the employees we don't like.
Yes.
Like the one holding the cameras. Continue on, carry on wayward. So this is our creepy hallway. Oh, they get to see the actually somewhat managed networking room.
So some of this stuff, well, I'm gonna say majority of this stuff we are not even using. It's stuff that was left behind and we're just kind of scared to get rid of it.
All of those like telephone line related things we are not touching. So.
Yeah, so not fun, don't wanna mess with that. Yeah, that exists. And then last but certainly not least, I believe that's everything, is our kitchen where we make food, have fun times.
I think Zach's actually getting his birthday dinner. We had milkshakes this morning. This place sucks. We had milkshakes this morning.
Awful, awful stuff.
I think Matt just bought some stuff, so we got to show him.
Oh,
here's our diabetes in a fridge. We have a freezer with
look at all those pizza
160 pizza rolls.
Yes, we got a lot of pizza rolls.
Yeah, it's one of the things in the pizza roll box was it said new air fry ability.
We got to fill in the blank here.
Oh, what the heck?
All right, what do we put here? All right.
Yeah, so we got all kinds of goodies. We got lots of popcorn. Lots of breakfast stuff. We have all kinds of chips, like to an intense amount, and ramen noodles. Yeah, there's more up there. There's some more. There's mac and cheese over here. Yeah, who would have guessed? Cups, thickener.
Thicket.
We got some thicket. Can't go wrong with that stuff. I don't think it's been touched since the day we used it. I swear to God, this toaster oven has been cooking since I got here.
It takes a long time.
I don't know if that's good, but it's been in there for a while, so.
But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We can walk back out here real quick and just show you how it all connects. You know, got this hallway, it all loops around to PCBros and Toastybros. It's all one big.
I forgot we have a closet here too.
Oh, yeah, there's a closet.
Yeah,
show them the closet. They need to see it.
Might be some shipping labels, so we won't get too close, but it smells like new shoes. Like a lot. Like you guys get that? The new shoe vibe? New shoe vibe?
One just came out of the bathroom. Oh, there he goes. That's how it be. Our other employees using their bathroom. Wow.
What happens. Oh.
But yeah, that's the tour of PCBros / Toastybros. Yeah, it's big, it's awesome. We like you, we make a lot of videos. Without you guys watching, we wouldn't be able to do something like this, so thank you. And all these guys are probably appreciative too, because they have jobs from this. So yeah, nod your head up and down. Yeah, there you go. Outro time?
I think it's time to send it home. So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/Toastybros. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we may or may not see you in the next one. Yeah, so we'll just shoot some hoops and talk about how we have some awesome merch, some awesome social media, and if I make this shot, you guys have to, well, just hand it over to you. If I make this shot, they gotta give us money somehow. All right, here we go, all right.
They gotta buy merch. You guys have to buy merch.
You have to buy merch. Buy some merch! Oh! Buy some merch! Oh!
You gotta need, oh no,